Ice cream. Just the word brings smiles. It's the universal language of joy. A treat for all ages. From simple cones to elaborate sundaes, ice cream is pure happiness. But some flavors stand out, captivating us with their unique charm. Glace au caramel is one such flavor, a French masterpiece. This ice cream is a dance of creamy vanilla and ribbons of golden caramel. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of glace au caramel. Glace au caramel, meaning caramel ice cream in French, is more than just its name. It's a testament to French culinary expertise, a balance of simplicity and sophistication. Unlike caramel ice cream, which blends caramel into the base, glace au caramel features distinct caramel pieces. These shards, strategically placed throughout the ice cream, offer bursts of intense caramel flavor. This difference, though seemingly subtle, creates a world of difference in taste and texture. The result? A symphony of flavors and textures that dance on your palate. The creamy vanilla provides a neutral canvas, allowing the caramel to shine. Each bite is a delightful surprise, a testament to the French passion for culinary excellence. The origins of glace au caramel can be traced back to France, a country renowned for its culinary ingenuity. While the exact origins remain a sweet mystery, its presence in French culinary history is undeniable. Some believe it emerged from the kitchens of Parisian pastry chefs, always innovating with flavors and textures. Others speculate it evolved from a traditional dessert, finding new life in frozen form. Regardless of its exact beginnings, glace au caramel embodies the French culinary spirit. It's a testament to their dedication to quality ingredients and masterful techniques. Each scoop tells a story of tradition and innovation, a legacy passed down through generations. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest things are the most extraordinary. Caramel, the heart of this frozen delight, is more than just sugar. It's a transformative ingredient, capable of elevating the simplest desserts to new heights. In glace au caramel, caramel takes center stage. Its creation is an art form, requiring precision and patience. Sugar is carefully heated, transforming into a liquid gold, rich in color and flavor. This liquid gold is then cooled and broken into shards, each piece a treasure trove of flavor. The caramel shards, with their brittle texture and intense sweetness, add another dimension to the ice cream. They interrupt the creamy smoothness, providing a delightful crunch in every bite. This interplay of textures and flavors is what makes glace au caramel so irresistible. Creating the perfect caramel ribbons for glace au caramel is an art form in itself. It requires a delicate balance of heat and timing. The sugar must be heated to the precise temperature to achieve that beautiful amber hue and deep, complex flavor. Too low, and the caramel will be too soft. Too high, and it will become bitter. Once the caramel reaches the perfect temperature, it's poured onto a silicone mat or parchment-lined baking sheet to cool. As it cools, it hardens into a beautiful golden sheet. This sheet is then broken into shards, ready to be swirled into the ice cream base. These shards, with their irregular shapes and sizes, are what give glace au caramel its unique character. With the caramel shards ready, it's time for the final act, churning the ice cream. A simple vanilla ice cream base serves as the perfect canvas for the caramel. The base should be rich and creamy, made with high-quality milk and cream. Eggs, often used in French ice cream, add richness and a velvety texture. Once the ice cream base is churned to soft serve consistency, the caramel shards are carefully folded in. The goal is to distribute them evenly throughout the ice cream, ensuring a delightful surprise in every bite. The mixture is then transferred to a freezer-safe container and left to freeze completely. And there you have it, homemade glace au caramel, ready to be enjoyed. Scooping up perfection, serving your glace au caramel. Serving glace au caramel is an opportunity to elevate the experience. While a simple scoop in a bowl is always delightful, why not get creative? Serve it alongside warm, gooey chocolate chip cookies for a delightful contrast of temperatures and textures. The warmth of the cookies will melt the ice cream slightly, creating a heavenly sauce for dipping. For a more elegant presentation, consider serving glace au caramel in chilled martini glasses. Garnish each serving with a few extra caramel shards, a dollop of whipped cream, and a light dusting of cocoa powder. The result is a sophisticated dessert that's sure to impress your guests. Remember, presentation is key to enhancing the enjoyment of any dish. Glace au caramel beyond the classic scoop. Glace au caramel's versatility extends beyond the classic scoop. It's a fantastic addition to various desserts, adding a touch of French elegance. Layer it between slices of pound cake or buttery shortbread cookies for a simple yet elegant dessert. The contrasting textures of the crunchy caramel, creamy ice cream, and crumbly cookies create a symphony in your mouth. For a more refreshing treat, use glace au caramel to make ice cream sandwiches. Sandwich a scoop between two thin and crispy chocolate wafers. The combination of rich chocolate, creamy vanilla, and crunchy caramel is simply irresistible. Glace au caramel can also be used to make milkshakes, affogatos, or even ice cream pies. Let your imagination guide you. A symphony of flavors pairing glace au caramel. Imagine a dessert that not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also elevates your culinary experience to new heights. Glace au caramel is that dessert, a delightful blend of creamy vanilla ice cream and rich buttery caramel that creates a harmonious symphony of flavors. Glace au caramel, with its unique flavor profile, pairs beautifully with a variety of flavors. The versatility of this dessert allows it to be the perfect canvas for a multitude of pairings, each bringing out different aspects of its complex taste. Whether you prefer something fruity, nutty, or even a bit savory, glace au caramel can accommodate your palate's desires. The buttery sweetness of the caramel and the mild vanilla base create a versatile canvas for flavor combinations. The smooth, creamy texture of the vanilla ice cream provides a perfect backdrop for the rich, golden caramel, making it an ideal base for experimenting with different flavors and textures. For a classic pairing, consider serving glace au caramel with fresh raspberries or strawberries. The vibrant colors and juicy textures of these berries not only add a visual appeal, but also enhance the overall flavor profile of the dessert. The natural sweetness and slight tartness of the berries provide a refreshing contrast to the rich caramel. The tartness of the berries cuts through the sweetness of the caramel, creating a refreshing balance. This combination is perfect for those who enjoy a bit of tanginess in their desserts. The interplay between the tart berries and the sweet caramel creates a dynamic flavor experience that is both satisfying and invigorating. For a more decadent treat, pair glace au caramel with chocolate. The rich velvety texture of the chocolate sauce adds an extra layer of indulgence to the dessert. Whether you prefer dark, milk, or even white chocolate, each type brings its own unique characteristics to the table, enhancing the overall experience. The combination of caramel and chocolate is a match made in heaven. The deep, complex flavors of the chocolate meld seamlessly with the buttery caramel, creating a dessert that is both luxurious and comforting. This pairing is perfect for those who crave a rich, indulgent treat. The bitterness of the chocolate complements the sweetness of the caramel, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. This harmonious blend of sweet and bitter notes creates a well-rounded dessert experience that is sure to impress even the most discerning of palates. Other delicious pairings include salted peanuts, pretzels, or even a drizzle of balsamic vinegar for a touch of sophistication. The salty crunch of the peanuts and pretzels adds an interesting texture contrast to the smooth ice cream, while the balsamic vinegar introduces a subtle acidity that elevates the overall flavor profile. These unconventional pairings showcase the versatility of glace au caramel, proving that it can be both a comforting classic and an adventurous gourmet treat. Imagine the possibilities. A scoop of glace au caramel topped with a handful of crushed salted peanuts, the saltiness enhancing the sweetness of the caramel. Or perhaps a few pretzel pieces, their crunch providing a delightful contrast to the creamy ice cream. For those with a more adventurous palate, a light drizzle of balsamic vinegar can add a surprising depth of flavor, its tangy notes cutting through the richness of the caramel and vanilla. The beauty of glace au caramel lies in its ability to adapt to different flavor profiles, making it a versatile dessert that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Whether you're hosting a dinner party and want to impress your guests with a sophisticated dessert, or simply looking for a comforting treat to enjoy on a quiet evening at home, glace au caramel is the perfect choice. Consider also pairing glace au caramel with a variety of nuts, such as toasted almonds or pecans. The nutty flavors and crunchy textures add another layer of complexity to the dessert, making each bite a delightful experience. You could even experiment with different types of caramel, such as salted caramel or bourbon caramel, to add a unique twist to the classic glace au caramel. For a truly indulgent experience, try serving glace au caramel with a warm, gooey brownie or a slice of rich chocolate cake. The combination of warm and cold, along with the contrasting textures, creates a dessert that is both comforting and luxurious. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. In conclusion, glace au caramel is a versatile and delightful dessert that can be paired with a wide range of flavors and textures. Whether you prefer the classic combination of caramel and berries, the indulgent pairing of caramel and chocolate, or the adventurous mix of caramel with salty or tangy elements, there is a perfect pairing for everyone. So go ahead, experiment with different combinations, and discover your own favorite way to enjoy Glace caramel. Memories made with Glace caramel. Glace caramel is more than just a delicious frozen treat. It's a reminder of simple pleasures, of shared moments of joy. It's the perfect ending to a special meal, a sweet reward on a hot summer day. Serve it at your next gathering and watch as it brings smiles to the faces of your loved ones. Whether enjoyed alone or shared with loved ones, Glace caramel has a way of creating lasting memories. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest things in life are the sweetest. So go ahead, indulge in a scoop or two of Glace caramel. Let its creamy texture and delightful crunch transport you to a world of pure indulgence.